What's up, my Ponios? Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to share with you guys an awesome option here to be able to protect your phone, especially from mishaps, drops, and whatnot. This is from the folks at Poetic. This is their Neon Mag Go case, which provides you military drop grade protection with a 2-piece polycarbonate and silicone enclosure, but it also has Magsafe and a really cool kickstand for you to be able to still use it for content creation, or if you wanted to scroll, watch shows, all that good stuff. Before we jump into it, the folks at Poetic did sponsor this video and give this to me for free. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here, especially during the holidays when they have a good deal going on. Let's go and open this box here and show you how to install it and all the different features of it. Boxing is super clean. I like how it's got minimal items here. You can go and recycle it all, and I like how Poetic is carbon friendly in that, carbon neutral in that regard. The case itself is made out of recycled material, and look at that, it looks really cool. It's two-tone. It's got that really awesome MagSafe key ring that allows you to set it up as you need. It allows you MagSafe capability while still being able to hold it here and gripping and providing you that protection. It kind of breaks out into two different pieces, and coming up close here, as you can see, one's made out of hardened polycarbonate material. The other one is this TPU silicone here that's gonna be able to provide as a bumper insulation here for your phone. Putting together is super easy. This reminds me of some of the competitors, but this is a really affordable, a really reasonable case here from the folks at Poetic. I like that. I opted into the white titanium, so you're gonna see that motif throughout the phone, but protecting that brittle back is certainly what I'm really needing help with. And I think the Poetic neon case does that. As you can see here, they've got a little raised area for the camera bump. You got the MagSafe there. You got the highlights in orange. You've got open space here for the USB Type-C. You've got the action button, volume rocker, all that good stuff. I like that. It does give you a little bit extra thickness here, but I don't think that's gonna necessarily impact your ability to content create. And what's nice here is it does create itself a nice little barrier, so if it lands on its face, it's not gonna scratch. With that said, you can still do content creation. I've got this 5,000 milliamp Anker battery here. It's super slim. It provides you nice 5 watts of charging. It's sleek and transportable. Same thing with folks at Binks. This is a little more compact, a little bit less size of a battery here, but it's just as nice here to be able to output. If you wanted to have something that is a little bit more content creation friendly, you can go ahead and slap on the SnapGrip from the folks at ShiftCam. This is my go-to for content creation. You got a bunch of different accessories here, like the light. You can even get like a cold shoe mount. You got a shutter button, you got a 5,000 milliamp battery, and a tripod mount, which is nice. I like that, all in one. You can see here that you got the charging when you push the button. I like that, and it's just an all-around nice unit for utility. I'm gonna be going on a trip soon and having this really lightweight USB Type-C 3-in-1 charger from the folks at Murpiso. It's nice to have. You just slap it right on there. It's gonna fit. You can put your watch and your AirPods if that's something you're interested in. It's nice and compact, and it can even act as like a little desk buddy if you wanted to watch content while you're traveling. If you have it on a desk or like an airplane, it's really nice to have. Final verdict here, I find this to be a very useful unit here. I really like the kickstand here, allowing you to do content creation, scroll, TikTok, all that good stuff. And I like how it's got the pass-through with the magnet here. It's sleek, it's robust, and it's really high quality. With that said, the folks at Poetic did sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. You should definitely check this one out here. One of my favorites. They did sponsor this video. Other than that, guys, Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.